Do you think we're going to be able to climb Mount Kilimanjaro tomorrow?
Yes. Do you think that can be tough for you until to reach there?
I think it's going to be tough because I haven't climbed a mountain before.
Do you think it can take how many days until we reach that top?
It's going to take us 5 days to get to the top.
Oh, 5 days.
Do you think we'll be able to do it?
Yeah. Okay, wish you all the best.
Alright, today's the big day. We're climbing Mount Kilimanjaro. Pretty excited. All packed up. And let's do it. Day 2. So yesterday we ate dinner at about 8, got to bed about 9, slept okay, earplugs definitely worked. Today we're going to be hiking about 3.5 hours. We'll get there about noon or 1, and then we'll do a little acclimation hike. So feeling good. Left Simba camp. There's Kilimanjaro. We'll be above the clouds today. About a 3-hour hike. Feeling good so far. No AMS. Going pole pole. We'll be there soon. For the band, pretty in my hand. Alright, recording! Made it! Alright, top of Africa. Top of Africa. And then to get south.
We know how hard they work for us, and we appreciate it, and they have a place in our heart.
Kwa hiyo wanashukuru sana na najua ni kazi ngumu sana mnayofanya na katika moyo yao mnanipa tu nafasi kwao. Sawa? Sawa sawa brother.
Okay. So we have tips for you, and We have 70 American dollars for each porter. So we thank you again.
Day 7, last day, heading to the gate. We just had a little show and dance from the porters and gave them their money. It's pretty cool. Pretty sore today. Good thing I fought my poles to help me go down. But it's been fun, it's been real, it's been hard, it's been challenging, but it'll definitely be a really good memory.